This video is a compilation of all the videos uploaded in the month of July. And it's about animals. Welcome to Diverse Top. And let's start with the first video uploaded that month. Top 5 Most Endangered Animals. Number 5. Sunda Pangolin. The Sunda Pangolin is the most trafficked mammal in the world, hunted for its scales that are used in traditional medicine. They are found in Southeast Asia. Sunda pangolins are critically endangered, like their fellow pangolin species elsewhere in Asia and Africa. Number 4. Amur Leopard. With only around 100 individuals left, the Amur Leopard is the rarest big cat in the world. They are found in the Russian Far East, listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, since 1996. The Amur leopard suffered extensive population declines in the late 20th century as a result of poaching, habitat loss and degradation, prey depletion, and a number of consequential anthropogenic threats. Number 3. Javan Rhino. Javan rhinos are one of the most threatened of the 5 rhino species, with only around 76 individuals that live only in Ujung Kulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. Javan rhinos once lived throughout Northeast India and Southeast Asia. Vietnam's last Javan rhino was poached in 2010. Number 2. Vaquita. The vaquita is the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal. There are only about 10 vaquita left in the world, all living in the Gulf of California, Mexico. Their decline is largely due to entanglement in gill nets used to fish totoaba, a croaker fish with a swim bladder in high demand in China. Also, before we enter first place, I think since you have watched the video up to this point, that you liked it. So as a reminder, press the like button. And let's continue with number 1. Northern white rhinoceros. The northern white rhinoceros is a subspecies of the white rhinoceros. It is one of the most endangered species in the world. Only 2 remain out of the entire population, a mother and daughter called Najin and Fatu. The second video, 5 shortest lived animals. Number 5. Fruit flies. These tiny flies are a common household nuisance, but their lifespans are only about a week to 10 days. They are often used in scientific research due to their short lifespans and rapid reproduction rates. Number 4. Indian meal moths. These pantry pests have a lifespan of about 2 weeks. They lay their eggs on stored grains and other dry food products, where the larvae hatch and feed. Number 3. Luna moths. These beautiful moths native to North America are known for their brief lifespans of just a week. As adults, they lack a mouth and cannot eat. They live off the energy reserves they built up as caterpillars. Number 2. Gastrotrichs. These microscopic worms, also known as hairy-bellied worms, live in freshwater and marine environments. Their lifespan is a mere 3 to 21 days. Number 1. Mayflies. Taking the gold medal for the shortest lifespan are mayflies, living for only a day, sometimes just a few hours. They spend most of their lives as aquatic nymphs in freshwater habitats. As adults, they emerge with beautiful wings but lack a mouth and digestive system. Their sole purpose during this short lifespan is to reproduce. The third video, Top 5 Slowest Animals. Number 5. Banana slug. Found in California, they cruise along at a leisurely 0.48 kilometers per hour. They secrete a slime that helps them glide over surfaces and avoid predators. Number 4. Giant tortoise. These gentle giants can live for over 100 years and move at a leisurely pace of about 0.3 kilometers per hour. Their slow metabolism allows them to thrive on a diet of leaves, grasses, and fruits. Number 3. Three-toed sloth. These masters of leisure can move as slow as 0.27 km per hour. Their slow metabolism and specialized diet of leaves allow them to conserve energy. Algae and fungi can even grow on their fur because they move so slowly. Number 2. Sea star. While some starfish species can move a little quicker, the majority are slow-moving creatures. The average sea star, like the leather star, moves at a leisurely pace of about 0.009 km per hour. They use their tube feet to inch along the seafloor, feeding on algae, shellfish, and other slow-moving prey. Number 1. Garden snail. The garden snail, also known scientifically as Cornu aspersum, is a land snail species that is likely the most recognizable type of land snail. They are found in many parts of the world, but not necessarily in gardens. They are detritivores, or decomposers, that help break down dead plant material. These slimy shell dwellers move at a glacial pace of about 0.001 kilometers per hour, and they carry their home on their back. The fourth video, 5 snail species. Number 1. Giant African snail, Achatina fulica. This is the largest land snail species in the world, growing up to 15 inches long. They are native to East Africa but have been introduced to many other places, including the United States, where they are considered a pest. Number 2. Roman snail, Helix pomatia. This is the type of snail that is most commonly used in escargot dishes. They are native to Europe and Western Asia and have a brown or yellow shell with dark bands. Number 3. Banded woolly snail, Vertigo ovata. This is a tiny land snail that is only about 1/4 of an inch long. They have a hairy shell and are found in damp forests and woodlands around the world. Number 4. Violet sea snail, Yanthina yanthina. This is a beautiful sea snail that is purple or blue in color. They float on the surface of the ocean using a bubble raft that they make from air and mucus. Number 5. Cone snail, Conidea. Cone snails are a large group of sea snails that are known for their venomous sting. They use their venom to paralyze their prey, which is usually other fish or worms. Some cone snail species have venom that is so powerful that it can kill humans. Fifth video, Top 5 Most Expensive Cats. Number 1. Ashera. Price, up to $125,000. Ashera cats are extremely rare, with limited litters produced each year. The complex breeding process involving Asian leopard cats, African servals, and domestic cats is costly and time-consuming. Number 2. Savannah. Price, $12,000 to $50,000. The Savannah cat is a captivating hybrid breed that combines the elegance of an African serval with the domestic charm of a house cat. This unique blend results in a feline that is both striking and intriguing. Number 3. Khao Manee. Price, $7,000 to $11,000. The Khao Manee is a truly captivating cat breed. Known as the white gem of Thailand, they are renowned for their stunning white coats and striking eye colors. Their lineage dates back centuries, an ancient breed originating from Thailand, with a rich history mentioned in the Tamra Mayu cat book poems. Number 4. Bengal. Price, $1,800 to $3,000. Bengal cats are captivating creatures that blend the wild allure of leopards with the affectionate nature of domestic cats. Bold spots or rosettes adorn their sleek coats, resembling their Asian leopard cat ancestors. Their large, almond-shaped eyes that come in various shades, often green or blue. Also, before we enter 5th place, I think since you have watched the video up to this point, that you liked it. So as a reminder, press the like button. And let's continue with Number 5. Toyger. Price, $1,500 to $5,000. Toyger cats are quite rare, making them a pricey purchase. The Toyger is a captivating breed of domestic cat that's been selectively bred to resemble a miniature tiger, with their striking orange coat adorned with bold black stripes. 6th video, Top 5 Most Expensive Birds. Number 1. Racing Pigeon. Price is $1.4 million to $1.9 million. Believe it or not, the most expensive bird on the planet is often a racing pigeon. These birds are prized for their speed and homing abilities. Some of the top racers have sold for millions of dollars. Number 2. Black Palm Cockatoo. Price is $10,000 to $25,000. Native to Indonesia, the black palm cockatoo is one of the rarest parrots in the world. And it is the largest flying parrot species, reaching up to 1 meter in length. Known for their problem-solving skills and ability to mimic human speech. Number 3. Hyacinth Macaw. Price $5,000 to $10,000. The Hyacinth Macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, is a stunning parrot native to Central and Eastern South America. It is the largest parrot by length in the world, reaching up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet, from beak to tail. While the flightless kakapo of New Zealand is heavier, the Hyacinth Macaw holds the title for the largest flying parrot species. Number 4. Ayam Cemani chicken. Price is around $2,500. This unique chicken from Indonesia is entirely black, feathers, skin, beak, and even the comb and wattles are jet black. And even the bones, organs, and meat have a dark hue due to a genetic condition called fibromelanosis. Known for their resilience and adaptability, and they can be raised for both meat and egg production. Number 5. Toucan. Price almost around $1,500. Known for their colorful beaks, toucans are popular exotic pets. They are iconic birds known for their vibrant plumage, and most notably, their oversized, colorful bills. These fascinating creatures are native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Toucans are known for their loud and varied calls, which include clicks, whistles, and even barking sounds. 7th video, Top 5 Smallest Species of Birds. Number 1. Bee Hummingbird. Aptly named for its resemblance to a bumblebee, is the smallest bird in the world. These incredibly tiny creatures measure a mere 2 1/4 of an inch, 5.5 centimeters long, and weigh less than 2 grams, 0.07 ounces. Females are actually slightly larger than males. Number 2. Vervain Hummingbird, considered the second smallest bird in the world after the bee hummingbird. It's about 6 centimeters, 2.4 inches long, including its bill, and weighs about 2 to 2.4 grams, 0.071 to 0.085 ounces. That's lighter than a dime. Number 3. Esmeraldas Woodstar. Chaetocircus burlepski is a rare, neotropical species of hummingbird in the family Trichilidae. They are only about 2.5 inches, 6 centimeters long. That's barely bigger than a bumblebee. They are lighter than a dollar bill. Number 4. Bumblebee Hummingbird. Celesphorus heloisa, aptly named for its resemblance to a bumblebee. It is endemic to Mexico, but has been spotted as a vagrant in the United States on rare occasions. Measuring only 5.9 to 7.5 centimeters, 2.3 to 3.0 inches in length. Their weight is equally impressive, at just 2 to 2.7 grams, 0.071 to 0.095 ounces. Number 5. Calliope Hummingbird. The Calliope Hummingbird holds the title of the smallest bird in North America, measuring just about 3 inches, 7 to 8 centimeters in length. For comparison, that's about the size of a ping pong ball or a table tennis ball. Their weight is equally impressive, or perhaps unimpressive depending on how you view it, at just 1/10 of an ounce, 2.3 to 3.4 grams. 8th video, 5 the smartest animals. Number 1. Chimpanzees. They are fascinating creatures that share an incredible 98% of their DNA with humans, making them our closest living relatives. Chimpanzees are one of the few animals that regularly use tools in their natural environment. They use sticks to fish for termites, stones to crack nuts, and leaves as sponges to drink water. They also can solve complex problems, such as figuring out how to reach food that is out of reach, or how to open a locked box. Number 2. Dolphins. They have relatively large brains compared to their body size, similar to humans and other intelligent mammals. Dolphins live in intricate social groups with complex communication systems, including whistles, clicks, and body language. Number 3. Elephants. They have the largest brains of any land animal, with more neurons than humans. While many of these neurons support their large bodies, it's still a significant number. Elephants can solve problems, understand human gestures like pointing, and even recognize themselves in mirrors, suggesting self-awareness. Number 4. Octopuses. They have large brains relative to their body size, and their neural organization is quite different from ours, with a significant portion of neurons located in their arms. This distributed intelligence allows for remarkable problem-solving abilities. Also, before we enter 5th place, I think since you have watched the video up to this point, that you liked it, so as a reminder, press the like button. And let's continue with Number 5. Crows and ravens. They belong to the Corvidae family, which is renowned for its members' cognitive abilities. Studies have shown that their intelligence rivals that of some primates, including humans. They're among the few non-primate animals capable of creating and using tools, like sticks, to extract insects or nuts. And if you want to watch all videos of June, which is about sports, click on this box. And love you all. Be safe.